What's up, what's down, what's all around, how is up guys? Welcome back to another Convlog. Today we're going to be ripping off H3, who ripped off iDubbbz, who ripped off Tierzoo. So we're going to be doing a little bit of a restaurant lineup, Australian, so we've got quite an extensive list here. So let's just jump right into it. So Pizza Hut. Now a lot of people be talking shit about Pizza Hut. I quite like their crust, but you know, they're a little bit fucking expensive, let's be honest here. So that's an easy C tier. I don't like paying too much money for my food, but like, you know, it's trade-offs. Anyway, Red Rooster, what the fuck is this garbage? I'm not paying $30 for a chicken where I can go down to Coles, get a whole one for $10, and also just get a whole salad for just the rest of the price. Fucking Red Rooster, F tier, garbage. Oporto. You know what? I don't have any strong opinions. That is an easy C tier. No opinions either way. Sushi Train. Oh, you know what? Sushi, don't get me started. This shit is expensive. You're gonna need to buy at least $50 worth of sushi to actually get filled up. But I'd be lying if I said sushi wasn't fucking gangster. So, I'm chucking that in A tier. Noodle Box. I feel very similar about Noodle Box to Oporto. We're just easy C tier. Sumo salad. Now, who the fuck goes to sumo salad? Who goes out and is like, you know what? I'm gonna fucking buy a salad bowl. Easy E tier. Honestly, it's just not worth it. Go make your own salad. KFC. Whew. That's a hard one, because KFC chips are pretty primo. Tenders also pretty good, but you know, when you start getting into some of the chicken bits, I don't know. And I'm gonna be honest, their chips are very inconsistent. That I gotta go D tier. You know, KFC, up your game. Jamie's Italian. How could I not put that in S tier? That is, honestly, if we were talking about movies, this is the Kino of fucking restaurants. Sauces up. Also up here in S tier. Have you had their fucking chips? Have you had their fucking burrito? Sauces is S tier. No question about it. Hogs Breath Cafe. Now, this fucking place has the weirdest, most cooked ads that you'll ever see about some fucking dancing pink piece of shit. I gotta give him props. It's like I'm watching an abstract art film. I'm not gonna lie. Their food, I'm not so sure. Honestly, I think the weird pink thing the weird pink hog it takes off a couple points. Even though it's really abstract, I'm a bit avant-garde myself. D tier. It's just not good. IKEA. How could I go wrong with IKEA? I mean, by itself it's not great, but with a bit of Jamie's extra virgin olive oil, that's a strong B tier. B tier contender. Domino's. $5 pizzas, y'all. Have you fucking ever paid $5 for a pizza? Well, you have if you've been to Domino's. I can't fault that. I simply can't fault that. That's a solid B tier. You know, I like their pizza. Deep pan, nice and chewy. You know, it's a little bit of a difference to Pizza Hut. It's more crispy, but you know, I do like me some Domino's. Guzman Gomez, also known as Guzman Y Gomez, also known as Gozmez. Yeah, Gozmez Y Gozmez. So, just by the fucking... Dimitri! I'm trying to film here! Gomez Y Gomez, just by virtue of the fucking name, is F tier. I just can't. I can't with that shit. Gloria Jeans. Now, they need to rebrand here. Gloria Jeans sounds like a fucking clothes shop. If I wanted to go clothes shopping, I'd look up Gloria Jeans. I wouldn't be like, that's a nice coffee shop. I'd be like, that's a nice fucking denim shop. F tier. Subway. Now, people shit on Subway a lot, but I gotta say, I quite like myself some Subway. You know, it's similar, like, it's a close argument to sumo salad. You can just make your own sandwich, but Subway kind of ascends that, you know. There's meatball, Mediterranean chicken, I feel like an ad for Subway right now. Those old Subway ads, I tell you what, those really sold it to me. I'm gonna say Subway is pretty C tier, especially with Sub of the Day. Nice deals. San Churro, let's be honest, fucking F tier. Chibo, how the fuck you say this garbage? You know, I'm not a middle-aged mom. I don't go out seeking coffee. But if I did, I'd go to Kibo. Solid C tier. I'm a bit impartial about that. Boost Juice or Easy B for B tier. Boost Juice, you know, more on the expensive side for a fucking drink. But you know that drink is gonna be good. I'm not gonna lie. Zambriro. Yeah, that's how you say it. Zambies. Zambies is easy A tier. I'm not gonna lie, Zambies is fucking expensive. So is Salsas, but Zambies is just a bit less worth for the money. You know, it's basically a mix between Salsas and Subway. Oh, that's my way of thinking about it. But goddamn, a good Zambies burrito can't let you down. Walk in the Box, feeling the same as Noodle Box. I'm not a very oriental eater, so I'm a bit impartial to these ones. So I'm just gonna chuck it in C tier. Donut King, I haven't been to for a hot 20 years. So honestly, I'm just gonna give it a D because it starts with donut, which is a D word. So we're just gonna move on. Nando's, it's kind of the same as Walk in the Box. I really haven't been to Nando's all that often, so I'm gonna just chuck it in C tier. Honestly, the Krispy Kreme, okay. If you want to have a fucking heart attack and become a sugar coma patient, go to fucking Krispy Kreme, because after you have more than 2 donuts, you're gonna be just wishing you were fucking dead. Honestly, D tier for death. Hungry Jacks. Now, Shake and Win is where it's fucking at. The free food you can get from this. Unfortunately, Hungry Jacks nerfed the Hungry Jacks app. So, that's left me pretty salty. Just like their chips can be sometimes. You know, their chips are pretty up and down. Sometimes they're the best things you'll ever eat. Sometimes they're just fucking disgusting. And you just, oh, it's not even worth it if you get it for free, to be honest. But the burgers are better at Hungry Jack's. B tier. So we're coming to the end. Chai Time is a close Boost Juice contender. Honestly, you're paying a lot for a drink, but that drink is pretty good. But there's something about Boost Juice. It has a bit more weight to it. I mean, Chai Time. Let's be honest. Where are we going there for those pearls? C tier, C tier. I got a lot of C's, but you know, C is the way to go. Wendy's. Now, Wendy's is San Churro, but actually good. So, we're gonna just go C tier. McDonald's. Now, Mac's fries, I could eat those shits like no one's business. So fucking good. There's been rare an occasion where I've had bad Mac's fries. And honestly, their burgers, except for Big Mac, fuck that shit off. That's garbage. Their burgers are pretty good. I won't lie. But if you buy one burger, you're not getting filled up. I don't know what it is. McDonald's has cracked the Illuminati code on making sure you want to eat more fucking food. But honestly, that belongs in B tier with Hungry Jack's, I reckon. Cafe Primo. Oh, that's a solid E tier. I mean, you might as well just go to a pub. It's the same food, and it's gonna be better at a pub anyway, and it's gonna be cheaper. Fucking Cafe Primo is garbage. Faster Pasta. Now, honestly, I had some negative experiences with Faster Pasta. Honestly, slowest shit ever. Just call it Slower Joy. Stroke time. Wow. Faster Pasta, call it Slower Joy is my original point. Because no time for slugs. Honestly, Faster Pasta is about the slowest fucking restaurant I've ever been to. Complete F tier. So, that is my list. You know, I hope you don't like it. I hope you can test some of these things in the comments. Because don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Patreon, share, Kickstarter. My sponsor today was Jamie's Italian Kitchen. Make sure you go there to support my boy Jamie. And as always, catch you on the flip side.